Hello, this is Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this crochet flower and you can click the link here. For this sassy rosette, you can watch the tutorial here. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. And we are going to need a piece of lace, felt fabric, an elastic band, and some tools like hot glue gun and scissors. First, attach these two flowers together. I will hide the end of the fabric for this sassy rosette. Attach the lace, attach this piece of fabric. I will cut the elastic band before attaching it to the flowers. Our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.